Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and in this video we are going to examine file feature number 15, Page Setup for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. To access file feature number 15, I need to left-click on File and scroll down to Page Setup. From here, this menu appears where I can adjust the way my page is set up for the Google Doc. So, I can adjust the orientation from portrait to landscape, which will make my document longer rather than taller. I can change the page color to whatever color I would like, and I can even adjust the margins so that I can fit more text and more imagery within one document. Finally, if I wish to do so, I can set these settings as the default for any Google Doc I open. I'm not going to do so at this time. What I am going to do is click on the OK button so that these changes can be implemented. So, as can be seen on this screen, the Google Doc has changed dramatically. So, by using Page Setup, I can edit my Google Doc in whatever fashion I would like to create the ultimate document I need for whatever project I'm working on. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.